Students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Educating Mother. Now let's begin. Here the narrator starts the story being coaxed by her mother into telling a story to entertain the children of the households. Means the mother of the narrator, she asks the narrator to entertain the children by telling them the story. The narrator included the narrator's 12-year-old daughter. Those who were listening the story, they were the 12-year-old daughter Ambu, narrator's old daughter, 12-year-old daughter, her 4-year-old son Ramu, her 6-year-old niece Janki, and her 3-year-old nephew Venku. Now, the narrator starts with the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The first story the narrator starts, and it is of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks. The three children are critical about the plot. Now they start discussing about the plot and the characters of the story, and they start asking questions from the narrator which are actually irrelevant questions, and even the narrator, she is not able to answer the questions. Now Ambu and Janki, they started analyzing the story and they find out the alternatives also, and the younger ones, they start getting interested in their version. Even they also agree with the younger ones, and the narrator is forced to change the story. Now the narrator also changed the story, and the next story she is going to tell them about Red Riding Hood. Then, but the situation is not different, because the kids again scandalize the story. Again, the children, they start asking the questions, or again the irrelevant questions you can see. The narrator is forced to switch to the story of next. Again, she switch off to another story of Cinderella, which was again met with criticism. Again, they have questions regarding the story. The narrator again the narrator moves to the another story, and in this way the narrator start telling them different story, but the questions, they will remain the same from the children. The narrator again switches to the story of Jack and Beanstalk, but now exhausted with their unending questions. Now at the last, the narrator was totally fed up, and the narrator gives up, and at the end the narrator gives up and flees with the reveals, means run away with the very first question there is. I hope you have understood. Thanks. Have a nice day.